Hello everybody, this is Fernando Hernandez, marketing manager for the RMS220. Today I will introduce you our latest SLS system, the RMS220. What do we have here? It packs a 75 watts laser with a 30,000 millimeter per second galvanometer and a chamber of net 220 by 350. The latest news is we are building in a nitrogen generator totally integrated on the system and doesn't require any extra power. You only need to have an air compressor connected to the inlet and you are ready to go. The system itself has been thoroughly designed to help the operation and help the users on the daily manipulation of the system. So we have the system itself is built in several quick release systems, starting from the lens system, that is basically a pull quick release that we can access the system for cleaning and maintenance. We have a quick release on the left as well. We can remove the blade for easy cleaning or changing of materials. We can do the same on the right side. If we want to change the powder, we can easily connect our powder container or our bag. We open the lid, the powder will flow out, and then we can clean the rest of the components as well. Every system has a quick release system, so it's much easier to clean, service, and maintain. And as an addition, every printer comes with a building unit. Once the printing finishes, you can remove it. It has active cooling, so if the printer is busy, the clean station is busy, you can connect to an independent power outlet, so it will trigger the active cooling. You can control the Z axis in the control panel. If the clean station is available, you can come to the clean station. You can monitor the temperatures on the control panel. Once you are good to go, you can raise the key, the help buttons. You can perform the cleaning. You have a sieving motor. You have a mixer, which basically you have two hoppers, one for the new powder, one for the used powder. You select your mix formula, 20%, 10%, 30%. It will mix for you. Once you have the material, this is the material box with the material inside. You put into the mixer, and the mixer will mix for you for as long minutes that you choose on the software. And once it's already finished, you bring your material box to the printer. Load it in. You open, all is loaded, and then you are ready to go for the next print.